Welcome to
will fight. No, seriously, multi-talented. I swear to you, I thought I found love two times, maybe three, and it just didn't work out the way I wanted it to. So I told myself, listen, I'm gonna stay to me. I'm gonna stay to my damn self, and when the big man upstairs is ready for me, I will be ready. Until then, I'm gonna live my life the way I want to live it, and as best as I can. Hey, multi-talented, you wouldn't understand if you knew me. If you knew me and knew the hardship I've gone through, you would understand what I'm saying and how I feel about love. And honest to God, I don't feel like there's gonna be no one in this world who's gonna love. It's tragic. It's sad for me to say. It's sad for me to say that, but that's how I feel. I don't feel like there's gonna be no one left in this world who's gonna let them love me. I'm unlovable. Massage like sea water. Massage like sea water. Salt. Mm-hmm. Yeah, it's sad. It's sad to say the things I'm saying, but that is exactly how I feel. Maybe that's why I stay to myself. Like maybe that's why I'm always cooped up in my home and I only go out when I have to. God, listen, Donella, if God never sent that person a long time ago, I don't feel like God's gonna send him anytime soon. Good night, Dwayne, and good night to you too, Anne. Yes, but don't give up. Listen, Diane, I've been give up since 2017 going on 18. We're now in 2022 going on 2023. Listen, it's a people. A lot of you may not know my story. A lot of you may not know my story because some of you are new and I haven't talked it since I spoke it my one or two time. And I don't wish to talk it again. If you know, you know. But honest to God, Donald, it's true. It is true. Donald, look at it. You see social media. People on social media hate me. Imagine in real life. Imagine. Could you imagine? Never too late for a shower of rain. So stop. Seriously, I'm telling you real stuff. I'm telling you how I feel. I am. And I must say again, if you know my story, you know my story. And funny thing? I don't go out my home if I don't have to. Imagine my life. It is somewhat a little bit sad, but it's my life and I'm gonna live my life as best as I. Funny thing, today, right? I said, listen, I am walking to the shop. And I'm so proud of myself. I really walked to the shop. I walked to the shop today. Usually, ask me this 3 months ago, 4 months ago, I'd be like, hell no, I'm calling my family to go. I call my family to go do things for me. But lately I realized I've found courage to go out and just do my own thing. Like for example, the other day I had a dentist appointment. I walked to the dentist too. I didn't walk back though. I didn't walk back. I took a taxi back. But I walked there 2 times and I walked to the shop today. So I feel like I am finding back a little bit of courage to go outside, even if I struggle. It's okay. It's okay. Such is life. Not everything in life is gonna be easy. It's how we navigate it, and I feel like if I continue on this path, I will find my confidence again, and I will start to maybe go out and interact with my old friends and so and so. If that makes sense, I don't know, but it makes sense to me. I saw. I think you love watch. I think you love watches. I think your love watches you all the time, and just waiting on the right time. I wonder who the hell could that be? What you not saying? What you not saying? Hey, mine pop up. At least you are healing, cause you have started going up. Yes, I would do my lives, but like I can't because my if you know the hand I need to hold the phone. I just can't hold the phone in that hand, so I just don't bother. I just listen. I go out. I am going out now. I think tomorrow, I'm gonna take another trip to the shop. Because I went to buy something today and I forgot to buy it. So maybe it was a good thing I forgot to buy it. I went to buy something else and I got it, and I left one of the things. So maybe it's a good thing for me to go out and I'm going out again tomorrow. Happy to make you laugh. Yes, you are funny. That was a funny one about they're looking at me. Is that you said they're looking? Hold on, let me see what you said. And thank you for the stars, multi-talented. What did you say? You said, yes. Honest to God, I don't think anyone is ever gonna love me. No, listen. I'm gonna tell you one more time. If you knew my story, you those words wouldn't come out of your mouth. They in fact they wouldn't. You would never wrote them with your fingertips. I've been through so much stuff. I've been through so much stuff. Like every day I ask myself, how the hell am I still here? Without the grace of God, I swear to God, I would have been done dead already. I would have been done dead. But I feel like God's like, listen, it's not your time. Sit your ass down and stay until I'm ready for you. So I know this is not no sub story. I'm just telling you guys, well, the new people. Hi Linda, hello. That may be true. Don't know what you're not saying. Oh my God. Father God. Donella.